Good morning to one and all. My name is K. Varshini. I am studying 10th class Mahatma Jyoti Bapule, Andhra Pradesh Backward Classes Welfare Residential School at Saluru. Now I will explain about electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration has the distribution of electrons in cells, subcells and orbitals in an atom is known as the electronic configuration. The shorthand notation of the electronic configuration is NLX. N means principal quantum number, L means angular momentum quantum number, X means number of electrons in an atom. Electronic configuration is described by three rules. First one is Pauli's exclusion principle, and second one Aufbau principle, and third one Hund's rules. First one is Pauli's exclusion principle. If you find electronic quantum numbers are four types. First one is principal quantum number. It is denoted by N. Second one is angular momentum quantum number. It is denoted by L. Third one is magnetic quantum number. It is denoted by ML. And fourth one is spin quantum number. It is denoted by MS. First one is Pauli's exclusion principle. According to this principle, no two electrons are same. Atom can have all four quantum numbers the same if Ms has electron with paired spins are denoted by upward arrow and downward arrow. Electrons has Ms has plus of and another one is minus of. They have anti-parallel spins. If L, M and ML has same but Ms are different, the major consequences of the exclusion principle involves orbital occupancy. And second one is Aufbau principle. The orbitals are filled in the order of increasing energy. Two general rules helps us to predict the electronic configuration. First one is electrons are assigned to orbitals in order to increasing values of n plus L. Second one, for the subcells with the same values of the n plus 1, electrons are assigned first to the subcells with lower n. As we pass from one element to another, one of the next higher atomic number, one electron is added every time to the atom. The maximum number of electrons in a subcell in 2n square, where n is the principal quantum number. The maximum number of electrons in subcell is SPDF is equal to the 2 into 2L plus 1, where L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Thus, the subcells can have maximum of 2, 6, 10 and 14 electrons. The electronic configuration by placing electrons. According to Aufbau principle, this is the molar chart. L is equal to 0, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s. L equal to 1, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. L is equal to 2, 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d. L is equal to 3, 4f, 5f. N is equal to 1. 1s, n is equal to 2, 2s, 2p, n is equal to 3, 3s, 3p, 3d, n is equal to 4, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, n is equal to 5, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, n is equal to 6, 6s, 6p, 6d, n is equal to 7, 7s, 7p, n is equal to 8, 8s. Ascending order of energy of various atomic orbitals. 1s less than 2s, 2s less than 2p, 2p less than 3s, 3s less than 3p, 3p less than 4s, 4s less than 3d, 3d less than 4p, 4p less than 5s, 5s less than 4d, 4d less than 5p, 5p less than 6s, 6s less than 4f, 4f less than 5d, 5d less than 6p, 6p less than 7s, 7s less than 5f, 5f less than 6d, 6d less than 7p, 7p less than 8s, so on. According to Hund's rule. According to this rule, electron pairing in orbitals starts only when all available empty orbitals of the same energy, it is degenerating orbitals, are singly occupied. Electronic configuration of 1 to 30 elements. Atomic numbers are denoted by Z. Hydrogen, Z is equal to 1, equal to 1s1. Helium, Z is equal to 2, equal to 1s2. Lithium, Z is equal to 3, equal to 1s2, 2s1. Beryllium, Z is equal to 4, equal to 1s2, 2s2. Boron, Z is equal to 5, equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Carbon, Z is equal to 6, equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Nitrogen, Z is equal to 7, 1s2, 2s2, 3p3. Oxygen, Z is equal to 8, 1s2, 2s2, 3p4. Fluorine, Z is equal to 9, equal to 1s2, 2s2, 3p5. Neon, Z is equal to 10, equals to 1s2, 3, 2s2, 3p6. Sodium is equal to 11, 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s1. Magnesium, Z is equal to 12, 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2. Aluminium, Z is equal to 13, 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p1. Silicon, Z is equal to 14, 1s2, 3s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p2. Phosphorus, Z is equal to 15, 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p3. Z is equal to 16, 1s2, 3s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p4. Chlorine, Z is equal to 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Argon, Z is equal to 18, 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p6. Potassium, Z is equal to 19, 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Calcium, Z is equal to 20, 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Scandium, Z is equal to 21, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. Titanium, Z is equal to 22, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2. Vanadium, Z is equal to 23, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3. Chromium, Z is equal to 24, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3. Chromium, Z is equal to 24, 1s2, 2s2, zp6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. It's a greater stability. Iron, Z is equal to 26, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Cobalt, Z is equal to 27, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d7. Nickel, Z is equal to 28, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8. Copper, Z is equal to 29, 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d9. Zinc, Z is equal to 30, 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. Thank you.